Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add elements in Canva, the easiest way to make your design stand out. Whether you're creating a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer, adding elements is one of the best ways to give your design that professional and creative touch. And the best part? It's super simple once you know where to look, so stick around till the end. You'll be a Canva pro by the time we're done. Let's start by opening your Canva project. It can be anything, a blank design or one of Canva's templates. Once you're inside your workspace, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your main design tools live. Now, click on the Elements button. It usually has a little icon with shapes on it. Once you click it, a new panel will open showing tons of design components you can use, like shapes, lines, frames, stickers, gradients, photos, graphics, and even charts. Next, let's talk about searching for elements. At the top of the Elements panel, you'll see a search bar. Here's where the real magic happens. Just type in what you're looking for. For example, if you type shapes, Canva will instantly show you a full library of options, from simple circles and squares to more detailed, stylized shapes. You can also type things like arrows, icons, or even flowers. Canva's library is massive, so there's pretty much something for every theme or idea. Now that you've found an element you like, it's time to add and customize it. Simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. Once it's there, you can start personalizing it however you want. To resize, just click the element and drag the corners in or out. To reposition, click and drag it anywhere on the design. You can even rotate it using the circular arrow icon that appears above the element. And if the element allows color changes, you'll see color boxes on the top toolbar. Just click to pick new shades that match your design style. These customization options let you make every element fit perfectly into your project's look and feel. It's all about experimenting and having fun with your creativity. And that's it. You now know exactly how to add and customize elements in Canva. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to make your designs more eye-catching and professional. The process is super intuitive, and with just a little practice, you'll be able to bring your ideas to life effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of design you're creating next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check you all out.